Hi everyone, millions of Americans are about to receive their next social security payment this week, but the big question is, are you one of them? A new round of social security benefit is scheduled to arrive in Wednesday, March 11th, and many retirees and beneficiaries this payment help cover instantly expensive like rent, grocery and medical bills. But here the important part, not everyone to receive their payment on the same day. Your birthday and type of benefits you receive determine actually when your money arrives. So let's break down who gets paid this week and how to check your payment is coming. The payment schedule is managed by the Social Security Administration, which delivers to benefits more than 17 million Americans every month. To the handle such as massive number of payment agencies distribute benefits thoughtfully the month of multiple ways rather than sending them at all once. This strategy system helps ensure your payment are processed smoothly and without delay. The March 11th payment is the major Social Security payment wave on March 2026. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th of any month, your Social Security payment is scheduled to arrive this Wednesday, March 11th. This including retirement workers, people receiving disability benefits, survival receiving Social Security benefits. Most recent will be receive their payment through direct deposit. I thought some may be still receiving paper checks depending on their payment. Social Security payment increased in 2026 thanks to the 2.8% cost of living adjustment COLA designed to help keep up with inflation. Some key figures include maximum retirement benefits up to about $5,181 per month at age 17. Average retirement benefits around $2,074 per month. Maximum supplemental security income benefits $994 for individual and $1,491 for couples. Your actually payment will be depend on lifetime earning, retirement age and benefit types. If you want to confirm your payment dates or benefits amount, the easiest way to talk by the Social Security online account provided by the Social Security Administration. With this account, you can track upcoming payments, update direct deposit information, access benefit statement and tax form, statement future retirement benefits. The March 11th Social Security payment is just the first wave to benefit this month. Millions more Americans will be receive their deposit over the next 2 weeks. Thanks for watching this video.